Hello to news enthusiasts and followers, let's get straight to the details. Buddy reviews Roundup and Quot, side-splittingly funny and Quot, 2 and Quot, Misfire and Quot, Sundance. One of the hottest films premiering at the ongoing Sundance Film Festival is Buddy, in which a brave girl and her friends must escape a kids' television show. The film hails from VHS Halloween director Casper Kelly, who most notably directed the absolutely mental Adult Swim Yule Log and the gut-bustingly funny Too Many Cooks viral short, Buddy, which stars Kristin Milioti, Delaney Quinn, Topher Grace, Keegan-Michael Key, Shannon, and Patton Oswalt, had its world premiere last night at the festival, which is celebrating its final year in Park City, Utah. Here's what critics are saying.